Hello, my name is Maria Cristina Archilla, and I am the Business Development Manager for Latin America and Caribbean region for Hi-Lite. I'm based out of San Juan, Puerto Rico, at the Luis Muñoz Marin International Airport, where we manage one of the most successful airfield maintenance programs in the world. My job is to help you determine what you need to do to get your airfield in compliance. If you are in need of runway and taxiway markings, runway rubber removal, or friction testing, I'm available to help you get your airfield in compliance. I specialize in helping airports find the right solutions for their needs. If you have any questions about airfield safety, please feel free to contact me anytime. I'm available to visit your airport and assess your needs. I look forward to seeing you at the ACI Latin America Conference in Miami, Florida, November 12 to 14. Visit booth 13.